Google has taken a monumental leap forward in artificial intelligence with the rollout of Project Astra through its Gemini Live platform. This groundbreaking development introduces real-time visual AI capabilities that promise to transform how users interact with their mobile devices. The technology enables multilingual conversations about anything captured through a phone's camera or screen sharing, creating a seamless bridge between the physical and digital worlds. Initially available on Pixel 9 and Samsung Galaxy S25 devices, this innovation represents Google's most ambitious attempt yet to create a truly contextual AI assistant. What sets Project Astra apart is its ability to process and understand visual information in real time, allowing for dynamic interactions that go far beyond traditional voice commands or text-based queries. This advancement signals a significant shift in how consumers might use their smartphones in daily life, from simple object recognition to complex environmental analysis. The Samsung-Google partnership advantage. A particularly strategic aspect of this rollout is Google's collaboration with Samsung, which provides Galaxy S25 owners with exclusive access to Gemini Live's real-time visual AI features without requiring a Gemini Advanced subscription. This partnership arrangement raises interesting questions about the long-term accessibility of these features, whether they represent a permanent device perk or a temporary promotional offering, but currently gives Samsung's flagship device a distinct competitive edge in the AI smartphone arena. The practical implications of this collaboration are immediately apparent. S25 users can simply open their camera, point it at any object or scene, and receive instant AI-powered interpretation. This functionality ranges from basic tasks like counting fingers in view to more complex applications such as real-time street identification while moving through a city. Current functionality: snapshot versus continuous processing. Early user experiences reveal important nuances about how Project Astra currently operates through Gemini Live. Contrary to what some might expect from real-time AI, the system functions more as an advanced snapshot tool than a truly continuous visual processor. When users ask Gemini Live to analyze something in their camera's view, the system captures a static image at the moment of query and bases its response on that frozen frame rather than providing ongoing analysis of a live video feed. This implementation choice likely reflects technical considerations around processing power, battery consumption, and privacy safeguards. While it means the system can't currently track moving objects or provide fluid real-time updates, the snapshot approach still delivers remarkably responsive visual analysis that far surpasses previous generations of mobile AI. This foundational capability serves as a crucial stepping stone toward more sophisticated continuous processing in future iterations. Pixel 9 integration and subscription considerations. For Pixel 9 users, the rollout follows a slightly different model that may involve Gemini Advanced subscriptions for accessing the most advanced real-time camera features. The exact details of Pixel implementation remain somewhat unclear, whether certain devices come with temporary access passes or if full functionality requires separate subscription verification. This differentiation in access models between Samsung and Google's own devices suggests a nuanced commercialization strategy for Project Astra's capabilities. What's certain is that both Pixel 9 and Galaxy S25 owners gain access to transformative screen sharing features through Gemini Live. Whether it's a news article needing summarization, an e-commerce page requiring product comparisons, or any other visual content that could benefit from instant AI augmentation, the system thoughtfully incorporates privacy safeguards by automatically disabling camera access when the phone locks or the session pauses. Multimodal Search Revolution Project. Astra's capabilities extend naturally into Google's evolving search ecosystem, particularly through its experimental AI mode that initially launched for Google One AI premium subscribers before expanding to more Labs users in the US. This multimodal search approach represents a fundamental reimagining of how users seek information, combining traditional text queries with visual inputs for more contextual and nuanced interactions. Early feedback indicates that users are engaging with this enhanced search capability differently than conventional text search. The impact on content publishers and web ecosystem. As with previous advancements in AI-assisted search, Project Astra's capabilities raise important questions about their impact on content creators and website publishers. Early reports from site owners, particularly in information-dense verticals like home improvement, suggest concerning traffic declines as Gemini Live provides comprehensive answers that may reduce clicks through to original sources.
I see a speaker, which makes sound.
What is that part of the speaker called?
That is the tweeter. It produces high-frequency sounds.
Give me a creative alliteration about these.
Creative crayons color cheerfully. They certainly craft colorful creations.
What does that part of the code do?
This code defines encryption and decryption functions. It seems to use AES-CBC encryption to encode and decode.
Some publishers report additional quality control challenges, with the AI occasionally recommending non-existent products or providing questionable advice drawn from its training data. Google maintains that definitive causation between AI overviews and traffic changes remains unproven, citing the constant evolution of search algorithms and shifting user behaviors. Talent wars and regulatory considerations. The competitive landscape for AI talent forms an important backdrop to Project Astra's development. Google's DeepMind division, a key contributor to these advancements, has reportedly employed strict non-compete agreements in the UK that can restrict employee movement to competitors like OpenAI or Microsoft for up to a year. While these arrangements differ from the US approach following FTC regulations, they highlight the intense competition for specialized AI expertise. This talent environment intersects with growing awareness of AI's potential risks. DeepMind researchers have published thoughtful analyses acknowledging that advanced AI systems, particularly on the path to AGI, artificial general intelligence, could enable substantial harm through misuse, misalignment, or structural flaws. Their proposed safeguards include capability restrictions, enhanced security protocols, and continuous monitoring systems. Pricing and accessibility for developers. Google has accompanied the consumer rollout of Project Astra, with significant developments for developers through Gemini 2.5 Pro's expanded public preview. The pricing structure for the Gemini API and Google AI Studio follows a tiered model designed to accommodate different scales of implementation. Base tier under 200,000 tokens month, $125 per million input tokens, $10 per million output tokens. Higher volume tier, $250 per million input tokens, 15 per million output tokens. This competitive pricing, particularly for input processing, represents a strategic play to attract developers building applications that require large-scale multimodal processing. Google positions this as a cost-effective alternative to offerings from Anthropic or OpenAI, though full integration with Vertex AI remains forthcoming. The road ahead, from assistance to agentic systems project. Astra's initial implementation through Gemini Live provides just a glimpse of Google's long-term vision for AI assistance. DeepMind's leadership, including Demis Hassabis, emphasizes both the transformative potential and profound responsibility inherent in developing increasingly powerful AI systems. The trajectory suggests a move toward what researchers term agentic systems, AI that can pursue complex goals with substantial autonomy across scientific, medical, and countless other domains. This evolution will require ongoing collaboration between technologists, economists, and policymakers to ensure beneficial outcomes. As Hassabis notes, society must carefully consider how we want to integrate such powerful technologies before they become fully realized, rather than attempting to retrofit governance frameworks after the fact. Current limitations and future possibilities. While Project Astra represents a significant advancement, its current snapshot-based processing model reveals the technical challenges inherent in true continuous visual analysis. Battery life, thermal management, processing efficiency, and privacy considerations all factor into these limitations. However, the foundation now established suggests a clear path toward more fluid, real-time interactions in future iterations. The integration with premium devices like the Pixel 9 and Galaxy S25 also raises questions about how these capabilities will trickle down to more affordable devices, and whether Google envisions a subscription-based model for sustained access to the most advanced features. The differing approaches between Samsung and Pixel devices hint at an evolving commercialization strategy that may adapt based on early user adoption and feedback. A new era of contextual computing project. Astra's debut through Gemini Live marks a pivotal moment in mobile AI, transforming smartphones from passive tools into active, context-aware assistants. While current implementations show room for growth, particularly in moving from snapshot analysis to true real-time processing, the foundation establishes an entirely new paradigm for human-device interaction. As these capabilities expand and refine, they promise to blur the lines between digital assistance and environmental awareness, creating devices that understand not just what we ask, but the context in which we ask it. For Pixel 9 and Galaxy S25 users, this future is already available to explore, offering an early glimpse at how AI might soon become an invisible, indispensable layer augmenting our daily experiences with technology. If you like the video, give the thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Also visit the website judyofmarketing.com for more insights about AI and marketing. Also write your thoughts in the comment section.